Hello, welcome to Flipkart. I'm Vishwa Gulati and today I'm going to explore this fantastic microwave oven, the MarQ by Flipkart from the house of Flipkart, InnoWave 20-liter solar microwave oven. This microwave, with its combination of elegance, smart handling, technology, efficiency and most importantly, pricing, is an absolute steal. And I'm going to show you just why. This BIS certified microwave has undergone 163 quality tests and has come out with flying colors. What this means is that your food is going to be heated reliably, safely, efficiently, and all your nutrient value will remain intact. Speaking of efficiency, this microwave comes with 5 power levels and a jog dial feature. We are going to understand what these are right away. These power levels range from warm, low to high. The warm level takes up 17% of power only and can be used to keep your food warm for a short period of time or even heating up bread. For all the enterprising bakers, it can be used to soften cheese, butter and chocolate as well. The low power level consumes a limited of 33% of power and can be used to defrost your frozen foods or simmer and stew your soups and gravies. The medium power level uses 55% of power and is ideal for slow cooking and lightly frying or stewing your food. We all know the benefits of slow cooking. It is the healthiest way to cook your food to ensure that the nutritional integrity is not lost. Next, we have the medium-high option, which utilizes 77% of the total power. You want to use this mode to bake casseroles, to saute and reheat your food, to roast your veggies, and as well as bake convenience foods. And finally, this is the high power level, which uses 100% of power. You can brown your liquids here, cook different meats, fish, ground meat, bacon, or even cook an entire dish using this power level. Need to cook your food in different ways or adjust time settings for specific recipes? Want to slow cook as well as boil? Well, this smart microwave has a jog dial feature. All you have to do is press a button and you can conveniently switch between different power levels and select your required time duration. Confused about which level does what when you need to defrost your food immediately? No worries. The Jet Defrost function is a one-touch stop for quickly defrosting your frozen food with no hassles about setting time and selecting the level. Designed to be user-friendly, this microwave also warms and cooks your food efficiently and uniformly. Place your microwave-safe dish on the 10-inch round turntable and watch it slowly rotate a full 360 degrees so that your entire dish gets thoroughly cooked. Gone are the days when your top layer of the food is boiling hot while the middle layer still remains cold. The outer body of the MarQ InnoWave microwave is also rust-resistant, making this device very safe from humidity, a boon in Indian climate. The inner circuits of the microwave are also protected from voltage surges, so no, your device is not going to go kaput in the middle of your meal. With a 10-inch wide turntable inside, the microwave is very spacious, making it possible to heat large dishes inside instead of dividing your food into smaller batches for heating. And since it's coated with Easy Clean, you can quickly wipe away any spilled food with one swift motion. No more scrubbing, no more complicated buttons and instructions, and quick, efficient and thorough cooking of your food. What more do you need? The right price? Well, buy it on Flipkart and take the MarQ InnoWave at a steal-away price and enjoy easy cooking for all days to come. Flipkart assures you of quick delivery and most importantly, a short brand warranty. So come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me and see you soon.